So good morning. We're going to show you what we can grow in April. So let's show you quickly what I've got going in the tunnel. So hopefully April, all the frost would have gone. We're still going to be a bit careful, and hopefully the ground is starting to dry up a bit. You see. So I'm going to show you what we can sow in April. So direct into the ground, we were able to do cucumbers. And these are all direct into the ground, spinach, and we can still do broad beans in April, and beetroot also in the ground. Another one we can do, Swiss chard, and carrots. Carrots can also go into the ground. And last one, we got some peas. So we got peas and one more, parsnips. All these can go into the ground now. Also, what we can do is tomatoes. These can be done indoors. Long runner beans, dwarf runner beans, pumpkins, squashes, they can be done now. Squash, this is Stella Blue squash, come from the seed swap. Gourds, you can do gourds. Sweet corn's good, do lots of sweet corn. Cucumber, good time to do cucumber now. Courgette, but don't do too many courgettes. Sprouts, purple sprouting broccoli, calabrese, cauliflower. I want to do this romanesco. One of the April sowings is courgette, so I don't want many courgette plants, but I might just sow a few just in case anyone on the plot wants some. So I've just got a little pot and I'm just putting 6 in on their sides. And these are all green bush. And I'm going to cover them up with compost. So running out of space, so little tray, that'll be fine. Mark it up. All sorted. All green bush, courgette. Another quick one, pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern, exactly the same as the courgette. 6, and then cover up. And they're even going to go into the same container as the courgettes. Gotta look after these because they get eaten if they don't get put high up. I'm just going to try and save a bit of space and do 3 in a pot, maybe 6 in a pot. There we go, and I might as well do the gourds before I finish. Swan gourd, this one's for my daughter. And I am running low on compost. So it's time to go and head back. These are a bit funny. These are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the packet. These look a bit weird. So they're just going in. Straight and easy. Compost on top. Really scraping the barrel. There we go. Label. As we all know, and I can only fit 4 in these pots. So maybe just do this last one, the blue squash. As you can see, not tidy. So 10 seeds in here. This is from the seed swap. No idea what these are. Stella. So I'm just going to pot up these pumpkins. This is a giant pumpkin, 692.9 pounds. This was from the seed swap, and I've got 2 seeds. I did have, just dropped them. So they're going to go into the pot. Just 2 individual pots, sideways. Bit of soil on top. Firm them down. So there's 2 giant pumpkins. Have to check, see if it was any winners. 692.9 pounds. So let's see if I can grow one. Stick a label on it. And now I've noticed Suki also supplied these pumpkins. So they've obviously grown big veg, and it'd be interesting to see what else they grow, as I got these from the seed swap. So I'm going to label it up. It's quite interesting. These are from Pumpkin 2008. Pumpkin giant. I'm going to put £6.29. Be good if I could see what the original one was from. Maybe I should do a Google search or look on Facebook or even YouTube. £6.92.9. So it'd be interesting to see what comes from these. So I should give them a water and they will go on the shelf. So this one is long runner bean, Grant, giant, Grant, giant, Esuki. Not sure what Esuki is, whether that's the type. I've got 5 beans, so it's just going in these pots here, and that's be done. Going to keep these out the way of the animals, keep them up high. That's that done. Long runners. That'd be interesting. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much. Keep safe everybody, and keep growing. That's all we can do. Thank you very much. Cheers for now.